Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers, my Baba followers. So I hope you all are doing good. And today, actually, someone asked me, ki you share stories from Sai Sat Charitra. Why don't you share your stories? Many of you know, in Chennai, in Mylapore, where Baba's very famous temple is there. My house was just 5 minutes or max 10 minutes walk from there. So I used to go there almost every day to see Baba. I never used to much of the time go inside the temple. I would stand out, look at Baba because the statue is seen from out, tell him a hi, and then just walk from there because many people would go inside, but I used to just be out. And in a week, 2 3 4 times I would go inside. Thursdays I would never go because the whole world goes to him on Thursdays. So the other 6 days, sometimes 3 days, sometimes 4 days, I would go inside. I would just round and come, but I used to go and just stand in front of the Dwarka Mai, where the dhuni used to be kept. And I used to love watching that dhuni, the fire which used to come as if Baba was there giving giving a lot of messages, giving a lot of reality checks to us. Something like that happened when I think um, I had lost my own dad, my birth dad, my biological dad. And I came back to Chennai, and I went there and I was standing there in front of the dhuni, and I was wondering why this happened, and why the person whom I loved the most in this world, Baba took him away from me. And I just wondered at that time when I saw the Udi. It was as if Baba was trying to say that nothing is permanent in this world. Everything at the end goes to the fire, be it human beings, be it be it our happiness, be it our relationships, everything. And one fine day all of us have to leave and go. So once the person surrenders and once the person understands his reality, then he just needs to uh, live his life, do good karmas, do good things for others, and just stay happy and stay blessed. I was when this message came, I was wondering, maybe I've just gone emotionally down because dad passed away. And I was thinking that I'm just crazy. This is what I thought. And I walked from there, and I saw, as usual, I saw Baba, and there was a room there where there was this they used to put food over there. So there's this old man over there, and then he just comes near me, and then he looks at me, and then he just keeps his hand on my shoulder, and he tells me in Tamil, which I will tell you in Hindi. He says, Sona, you don't worry, wherever I'm happy. And my dad used to call me Sona, but this man tells me in Tamil. And I just look at his face for some couple of minutes, and I just tell him, okay, come, let's eat, because I used to love sitting with my dad and having food. And I go there and I sit, and I'm not a person who has khana in Baba's temple, because I feel there are a lot of people over there who need khana. So I used to just go meet him and come, I sit there, and then I serve him food. And I go to wash my hands. I serve him food, and then I make him to eat, and then I eat little. I come back and see in that place that man is missing. I search for the whole man around the thing, and then I go back to the dhuni. And then I feel as if the flame of the dhuni is just smiling at me, saying that he is safe and happy with me. So you don't have to worry, you just have to understand the fact that he's happy somewhere, peaceful, mainly not happy but peaceful. And you need to make peace with yourself, that is what is going to happen. So like these many things have happened because someone told me I should share my stories. I shall start bringing stories one by one about my personal experiences with Baba. So let's see what he has got to say today. Harsh words cannot pierce your body. If anybody speaks ill of you, just continue on unperturbed. That's very true, Baba. I've always followed this. When people talk about me, I say it's okay. I just don't care. I don't bother because I know what I am end of the day. So Baba says if you're hurt, then just let go of it and don't even bother about it because people talk. I to tell people, because people talk because they want to make me famous actually. This is what I tell. Whatever you do, whatever you may be, always bear in mind, I'm always aware of everything you do. This card keeps coming back to me again and again as a reminder that, keep doing good. I'm watching you, and don't get hurt. Don't allow others to hurt you. Don't allow others to emotionally put you down. And you just keep doing your karmas, keep doing good, and everything will fall in place, because I always know Baba is watching me, and Baba is always there with me, and in all times he is with me, taking care of me. And wherever you know I need his guidance and his help, I know he is going to be there guiding me, and just looking at me. Now I just felt I should take one more card, so I'm just pulling one card out. Let's see what has come. Wealth is really a means to work on dharma. It only uses beautiful card. I would say beautiful symbol. I would say Baba is just saying, let go of everything, surrender it to him. See the story. Today I said about surrender and about my dad, and correctly the card is coming. Surrender card, a beautiful card. It's money will come, money will go. I always say you need people who love you for what you are and respect you for what you are. So I hope you all resonated with the reading today. Sit in front of him, write a letter to him. I feel you should write a letter to him, or just talk to him and tell him what you desire, and tell him, Baba, I love you, and I know you love me, and I know you're always there to guide me, and you always have an eye on me. If I go wrong somewhere, you are there to guide me. If I am getting harmed somewhere, you are there to protect me. I love you, Baba, and I will always love you, and always keep your hand on me. Always keep me blessed. So Om Sai Ram to all you beautiful Baba followers out there. I shall come back again with Baba's message next week. Om Sai Ram.